Hi children, good morning everybody. So we are seeing our second supplementary lesson zigzag. Now let us continue the same. Let us have a small sum up of what we have seen in the previous class. So Arvind is trying to wake up the snoring bird in many ways. That is, he is making many noises like an hyena, like an elephant, but everything is a total failure. And also Maya is trying to squirt some water on the bird using her water pistol, but nothing is working out, right? And what happened when their maid, that is servant Lakshmi, is switching off the fan? The room is filled with the papayas and all other fruits which was deposited on the fan by the bird zigzag. Okay, so this is what we have seen in the previous class. And what happened? Her painting, Mrs. Krishnan's painting, was completely filled with all the pieces of orange pulpy papaya, and the seeds were scattered on the paintings, right? So this is what we have seen in the last class. Now let us continue. They froze in horror. Horror means fear. Okay, they froze in horror. Lakshmi had apparently switched on the fan, on which, so this we have completed, I think. Let us go for the next paragraph. Alright. So Mrs. Krishnan groaned tragically and looked ready to shoot zigzag, but he was saved by the bell. The telephone bell. They answered one call after another as all the neighbors rang up to demand what the awful whiz sound was and if they could please have some peace. Right. So Mrs. Krishnan groaned tragically. That is, she was moaning. She was shouting in an anger and looked ready to shoot zigzag. Okay, and if there was a gun or a pistol, she was ready to shoot zigzag because no one was able to bear the snoring sound produced by zigzag. But he was saved by the bell. So who was saved by the bell? Zigzag was saved by the bell. Which bell? Because the telephone bell is ringing at that time. Okay, so as the telephone bell rang, she went to attend the call. They answered one call after another as all the neighbors rang up to demand what the awful whiz sound was and if they could please have some peace. Okay, so all the neighbors were calling one after another. So all the neighbors from their house, around their house, were making phone call and they were asking, what is that sound which is coming from your house? And awful means very unpleasant to hear. Okay, what is that unpleasant or bad sound which is coming from inside of your house? And if they could please have some peace. Okay, and everyone is requesting, please have some peace. கொஞ்சம் அமைதியான sound create பண்ணலாம்ல உங்க வீட்ல. Why you are making this much noise that we are feeling very much disturbed? So everyone, that is all the neighbors, started to call Mrs. Krishnan, and everyone started asking what is the sound which is coming from your house, right? So not only the family members, even the neighbors, those who are living around their house, were not able to bear with the sound produced by snoring sound produced by zigzag. And through all this commotion, so commotion means confusion. Okay, and through all this confusion, what confusion? That is, what happened? Generally, the total family and the neighbor's family were disturbed by the sound produced by zigzag. That is one of the confusion, and nobody in the family knows why the bird is always keeping on snoring. And the other thing is, what happened? Mrs. Krishnan was preparing a painting to be exhibited in the exhibition, which is going to in the next week. But when their maid Lakshmi was switching off the fan, what happened? So all the fruits which were deposited on the top of the fan were flying, and what is that? Papaya had scattered on her painting. Okay, so the painting became orange and seeds were deposited here and there on her painting, and so the painting was also collapsed. Okay, so these are all the confusions which is going on in their house. Now added to this confusion, what happened? So all the neighbors started calling and asking them, what is that very bad sound which is coming from your house? Please have some peace. Peace na amaidi. Okay. Finally, an exhausted Mrs. Krishnan rang up her husband. Okay, finally she became very tired. Who? Mrs. Krishnan. She became very much exhausted and she is calling her husband. I am going crazy with the sound of zigzag snoring plus all these angry telephone calls. Okay, so what she is telling to her husband is, I am going crazy. Crazy means what is that? Very silly. Okay, why? Because of the sound of zigzag and also due to all the angry telephone calls, because all her neighbors were angrily calling and they are asking what is that bad sound which is produced from your house. Okay, and my beautiful painting, she is explaining to her husband about the condition of her painting now. Here her voice cracked. Okay, so her voice broke here. That is she was almost in the condition of weeping. You know, Mrs. Jhunjhunwala, the art critic who lives upstairs, well, she heard zigzag snoring and had the cheek to telephone and asked me whether I could sing a little softly when I took my singing lessons. Please contact Somu and find out what we should do. Okay, so you know, Mrs. Jhunjhunwala, the art critic. Okay, so who is Jhunjhunwala? Jhunjhunwala is the art critic. Okay, so critic means you might have heard this word in the author introduction in your previous lesson, I hope. Okay, I'll tell you what is critic. So criticism. Okay, so if a poem or story or something is written, okay, so other authors or the other poets will have a criticism on the work. Okay, so it means they will analyze what are the plus and the minus in the poem or in the story or in the prose, supplementary, whatever it is. They will analyze the plus and minus. Okay, for example, if a poem is there and if a poet is writing a criticism on the poem, okay, so they will say instead of simile, inga metaphor use pannirundinga the poem will be better. Okay, instead of using this, following this rhyme scheme, if you are following this rhyme scheme, the poem might be still better. Okay, like that they will be analyzing all the negative points, especially negative points and also the plus points in the work. That is called as criticism. Okay, they are called as critics. Okay, so here, who is Mrs. Jhunjhunwala? She is an art critic. Okay, she is a person who makes criticism on the art. Okay, who lives upstairs. So she is living in upstairs. She heard zigzag snoring. So she heard the sound of the zigzag snoring and had the cheek to telephone and asked me whether I could sing a little softly when I took my singing lessons. Okay, so she is also calling Mrs. Krishnan, and what she is asking whether I refers to Mrs. Krishnan, right? So whether I could sing a little softly when I took my singing lesson. See how bad it is. Okay, so what Mrs. Jhunjhunwala had misunderstood is, okay, what she is mistaking is, she is mistaking zigzag's snoring sound to be the singing, that is the song of Mrs. Krishnan. Okay, இந்த zigzag oda snoring sound என்ன நினைச்சுக்கிறாங்க அவங்க, Mrs. Krishnan தான் ஏதோ பாட்டு பாடிட்டு இருக்காங்க, பாட்டு கிளாஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னு நினைச்சிட்டு what she is asking, can you sing a little bit softly, கொஞ்சம் சாஃப்டா பாடுங்களேன். Okay, she is asking. So she is disturbed by all these things. Who? Mrs. Krishnan was disturbed by all these phone calls, and finally she is calling her husband and she is explaining all these things. And finally what she is telling is, please contact Somu and find out what we should do. Okay, so she is telling to husband, please try to contact Somu and ask him what we should do to stop the snoring sound of zigzag. Dr. Krishnan came home as fast as he could after he had left an email message for Somu asking him for clear instructions on how to stop Zigzag from snoring. Okay, so Dr. Krishnan came home as fast as he could after he had left an email message. So after sending an email to whom? For Somu. Ask for what? He is sending the email. So he is asking him instructions, proper instructions to stop the snoring of Zigzag. Okay, so he is sending a mail to Somu asking instructions to stop Zigzag snoring, and then he is coming to his home. Don't worry, he reassured his downcast family. Okay, so downcast family means what is the condition of the family now? They are very much upset. Okay, so he is telling to them not to worry, Somu will reply soon. Okay, so I have sent an email to Somu, he will reply soon, and we will discover there is some ridiculously simple way to stop a Zigzag from snoring. So we will get the reply very soon from Somu, and we will find some method to stop the snoring sound of Zigzag. So don't worry, he is telling to his family members. 6 days passed, 6 frantic days of checking their email day and night. So what happened? After sending email, how many days passed? 6 days passed. 6 frantic days of checking their email day and night. Okay, so frantic days means disturbed days or very upset days or sad days. Okay, daily checking whether they have got any mail from Somu. 6 torturous days of having the deafeningly loud whiz resound in their home, most nerve-wrackingly. Okay, so 6 torturous days. So those 6 days were very torturous to them because the snoring sound of Zigzag was like deafening their ears. அவங்களோட காதே செவிடாகிற மாதிரியான sound. Okay, Maya complained that she heard a permanent rumbling sound in her ears even when she was miles away from home, and that her ears ached all the time. Okay, so what Maya is telling is she complained that she is complaining to her parents that permanently she is hearing a rumbling sound in her ears. Already I told you what is meant by rumble. So making a continuous deep sound, that is called as rumble. So எப்போவுமே அவளோட காதுல what happened? There is a rumbling sound in her ears even though she was miles away from home. Okay, so even though when she went out or when she goes to school wherever, and the Zigzag or snoring sound கேட்டு permanently she is having so she is complaining. Okay, she is having a rumbling sound in her ears. Arvind confessed that for the first time in his life, he was actually looking forward to going to school, considering it was as calm as a monastery compared to their house. So, children will be normally hating going to school. Why? Because if they goes to school, so நீங்களே இப்போ ஸ்கூல் வந்திருந்தீங்கன்னா there will be night class, morning class, extra homeworks, okay, written works, etc., class test, midterm test, etc., right? But now everyone is totally free of it. So likewise, children will be generally hating. Not all the children, but most of the children will be hating going to school, right? But so Arvind is also in the same situation. So, but now what he is telling is, for the first time in his life, so for the first time in his life, he loves going to school because school is very much calm like a monastery comparing to their house. So, monastery madri, school is very much calm comparing to the snoring sound of Zigzag in the house. So, for the first time in his life, he loves going to school instead of staying in home. Mrs. Krishnan had lost interest in painting. So, what happened to Mrs. Krishnan is, she had lost her interest in painting. Zigzag would sometimes wake up briefly when he wanted to eat some fruit, and sometimes he would sit on the veranda looking sulky and bored as he stared at the sunset at Marina Beach, the real view not the painting lying forlorn in one corner, ruined by strikes of hardening papaya. Zigzag never spoke to anyone, though everyone tried several times and in several languages to speak to him kindly. He only slept and snored. Okay. So what happened is, Mrs. Krishnan had lost interest in painting. So after all this bad experiences with Zigzag, she had lost her interest in painting. Zigzag would sometimes wake up briefly. Okay, sometimes for a short time it will wake up, and when he wanted to eat some fruit, when it wants to eat some fruits and nuts, and sometimes he would sit on the veranda. So sometimes it will eat. So it will rarely wake up. அப்படியே முழிச்சிருந்தாலும் how long? Very briefly. That is for a very short time. And if it wants to eat, it will be eating some fruits and nuts, or he would sit on the veranda. Or he would sit on the veranda looking sulky and bored, or it will be sitting on the veranda looking sulky. Sulky means without any happiness. Okay, it will be sitting sulky, sadly, and it will be feeling bored as he stared at the sunset at Marina Beach. Okay, and it will be just looking at the sunset at the Marina Beach, the real view. Okay, so it will be looking at the real view of the sunset, not the painting lying forlorn in one corner. Forlorn means lying lonely. Okay, so what happened after Lakshmi is switching on the fan, the papaya went scattered and it had a split on all the paintings of Mrs. Krishnan. So after that, what Mrs. Krishnan had done is, she had taken that painting and kept in the one corner of her painting room. Okay, so that's why the author is saying that the painting is lying forlorn in one corner. It is lying lonely in one corner of the room, because it is ruined, it is destroyed by the strikes of hardening papaya, because it is completely filled with the strikes of papaya. Zigzag never spoke to anyone. So Zigzag never spoke to anyone, though everyone tried several times and in several languages to speak to him kindly. He only slept and snored. Okay, so Zigzag never spoke to anyone. So it never tried to speak to anyone, though everyone tried several times. But their family members, Mr. Krishnan's family members, tried several times to speak to the bird, and in several languages, and also in several languages to speak to him kindly, but he only slept and snored. So it was just sleeping and snoring. On the 7th day, Dr. Somu's email arrived. So what happened? Finally, on the 7th day, after waiting for 6 long days, on the 7th day, Dr. Somu's email arrived. They had received the mail from Dr. Somu. It was as Dr. Krishnan predicted. Predicted means guessed. Okay, as Dr. Krishnan predicted. It was very simple, ridiculously simple. So what is the content of that email is, I have never heard Zigzag snore. Okay, so what he is telling Somu, எப்பவுமே நான் zigzag snore பண்ணி பார்த்ததே இல்லை. I have never heard it, கேட்டதே இல்லை. In fact, Zigzag hardly ever sleeps. So what is the meaning here? Hardly is a semi-negative word. Okay, so hardly ever sleeps அப்படின்னா எப்பயாச்சும் தான் தூங்கும். Very rarely it used to sleep. And I have never heard the snoring sound of Zigzag. So these are the reply from Dr. Somu. With love, Somu. That's all the mail is. If you are finding it difficult, ask my cook Visu to keep Zigzag. Okay, and also what he is telling in the note, if you are finding it very difficult to keep Zigzag with you, so give it back to cook Visu. So this is the content of the email which the family had received from Dr. Somu. So they expected a lot. Actually, the family expected a lot from the reply of Dr. Somu. ஏதாவது ஒரு solution இருக்கும் அதில் அப்படின்னு they were expecting. but the email was very, very simple. That does it, said Mrs. Krishnan. Fine, Visu. I will not keep zigzag here another minute. Okay, so what Mrs. Krishnan is telling is, that does it, said Mrs. Krishnan. Okay, so this is the only way. So find Visu, search for Visu. We will, I will not keep zigzag here another minute. I will not keep it in the home. I will give it back to the cook, Visu. Calm down, dear. I am leaving for my clinic now. Can't it wait till? Okay, so what Dr. Krishnan is telling is, please calm down. Please be quiet. Okay, so I am leaving. I am going for the hospital clinic now. Can't it wait till? Enna solla vararna? So can't it wait till Visu is coming? No, it is now. What Mrs. Krishnan was adamant. Okay, so but Mrs. Krishnan is adamantly telling, no, I cannot wait for one more day or wait till Visu is coming back. So it is now that is immediately you have to take back zigzag. I have invited some friends and our experts to come home and choose my paintings for the exhibition, because I have invited some of my friends and they are experts in painting. So they are going to come to my home and they are going to choose my paintings for the exhibition. This feathered snoring monster will drive us all mad. So suppose if this zigzag is in the home when my friends are coming, everyone will become mad by the snoring sound of zigzag. Come on then, zigzag, called Dr. Krishnan nervously, wondering how he could locate Somu's cook, Visu. Okay, so what Dr. Krishnan is doing is, he's taking zigzag along with him to the clinic, and also he is in wonder. Okay, what wonder? Where to find Somu's cook, Visu. Next, we'll see what happened. Yeah, why don't you wait in the car, zigzag? He suggested. Okay, so after reaching the clinic, he is asking to zigzag, why don't you wait in the car itself? When they reached his clinic, his heart sinking at the thought of zigzag's ear-shatteringly loud snore adding to the din of the sobs and shrieks produced by the tiny patients waiting for him. Okay, so when they reached the clinic, his heart, whose heart? Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan's heart was completely filled with the thought. What thought? Of zigzag's ear-shatteringly sound. Ear-shatteringly sound na ear-deafening sound. Kaada kilikira madri voice illaya, snoring sound. So, already the clinic will be filled with the din of the sobs. That is, din means unpleasant sound. Okay, so unpleasant sobs and shrieks produced by the children. Okay, he is a child specialist. So the clinic will be already filled with the sounds of the small children. Added to that, if zigzag is also snoring, how he is able to bear with all these noises? Okay, so he is worried about it. But Ziggy Zaga, king of the Tonga, was not accustomed to being kept waiting and was already making his way to the clinic, where he perched himself on the nurse reception table. Okay, see here, nurse. These are all the mistakes you are committing while writing here in your own. Nurse adina, why apostrophe s is here na? Nurse order reception table. Okay, that is why here apostrophe is given. But Ziggy Zaga, king of the Tonga, was not accustomed to being kept waiting. Okay, so it was not practiced. Accustomed means, so it is not just waiting for the order of Dr. Krishnan. What it is doing is, it was already making his way to the clinic. Okay, so after they are reaching the clinic, it is after reaching the clinic, it is moving inside the clinic, and where it is sitting, where he perched means sitting. So he was sitting on the nurse reception table. Don't you dare sleep, Dr. Krishnan warned Zigzag fiercely as he went towards his room. Okay, don't you dare sleep, Dr. Krishnan warned fiercely. Fiercely means here angrily. So angrily Dr. Krishnan is giving a warning to the bird. You should not sleep, as he went towards his room. He had hardly walked through the swinging half door that separated his clinic from the waiting room when he heard a strange voice say, "You there in the blue t-shirt, don't jump on the sofa. And you in the red dress, don't swing on the curtain." Okay, see what happened is, here is that surprise. What is that surprise is, he had hardly, who? Dr. Ashok. Okay, he had hardly walked through the swinging half door. Swinging half door அப்படினா what is mean by swinging means like oscillating. Okay, and the நம்ம உள்ள போனா ஓபன் பண்ணிக்கலாம் டோர், தென் அது செட்டில் ஆகாம இப்படி இப்படி மூவ் ஆயிட்டே இருக்குல்ல, அது டைப் ஆஃப் ஆசிலேட்டிங் டோர். ஓகே, so he had just walked through the swinging half door that separated his clinic from the waiting room when he heard a strange voice say. Okay, so he is hearing a strange voice. What the voice is telling is, "You there in the blue t-shirt, don't jump on the sofa." Okay, the blue t-shirt போட்டிருக்க பையன், please don't jump on the sofa. And you in the red color dress, don't swing on the curtain. நீ அந்த curtain பிடிச்சு தொங்காத. Okay, he is hearing a strange voice. It was Zigzag's voice, clear and commanding. So whose voice it is now? Finally it is the voice of Zigzag. And how is the voices? It was very clear and commanding. Commanding means it is ordering all the children, don't jump on the sofa, don't swing on the curtain. There was pin drop silence in the room as everyone waited, open mouthed for Zigzag's next sentence. So usually the clinic of Dr. Krishnan will be always noisy, but now how is the clinic is, there is a pin drop silence everywhere, because as the bird is speaking, everyone were mesmerized, that is everyone were surprised, and they were waiting to listen the next sentence of, that is the next words of the bird Zigzag. Dr. Krishnan was amazed. Okay, so Dr. Krishnan was also equally surprised. Gone was Zigzag's bored and grumpy expression. So all the snoring sound and boring view of Zigzag had disappeared, and now finally the bird is speaking. Instead, the bird looked happy and alert as it went about the job it had been trained for, first with the African witch doctor and then with Dr. Somu. Okay, so the bird is very happy and it has started its job. What job? It started speaking, as how it got practice with the African witch doctor and then with Dr. Somu. Dr. Krishnan's clinic, usually a noisy of tears and tantrums, was transformed into a calm, orderly place as Zigzag efficiently soothed the frightened patients, scolded the naughty ones, and made the crying ones smile. Okay, so Dr. Krishnan's clinic, usually it is a noisy place filled with tears and lot of noises. Now it had transformed into a place of calm, orderly place, so no one is jumping here and there and no one is crying, as Zigzag efficiently soothed the frightened patients. Okay, so it had calmed down the frightened patients, scolded the naughty ones. Naughty na kurumbu pandravangala, it was scolding, and made the crying ones smile, and also it made all the crying children to smile, because if a bird is speaking and if it is doing something, definitely everyone will be looking at it with surprise. And if his yam digging song and recitation of French poetry reduced the children to helpless laughter instead of tears, and also the song, beautiful song of Zigzag and the recitation of the French poetry by the Zigzag reduced, it had made the children to helpless laughter. Helpless laughter means uncontrollable laughter instead of crying. He did not look as though he minded. And best of all, Zigzag never slept. And what is the best thing is, Zigzag never slept in his clinic or snored, and also it had not snored even for a second. Even for a second it was not snoring. Never had a morning passed Never had a morning passed so quietly and peacefully for Dr. Krishnan. Okay, so that not even a single morning had passed so quietly and peacefully for Dr. Krishnan, because usually the clinic will be always filled with heavy noises, right? So okay, so finally the bird was able to speak, and Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan is also very happy because Zigzag had never slept and it never snored even for a second. Never had a morning passed so quietly and peacefully for Dr. Krishnan. So before that, his hospital is not quiet and peaceful. When the last patient had left, he called Zigzag to his room. So after the last patient is going away, he is calling Zigzag. Doctor is calling Zigzag to his room. Zigzag flew in and sat on the table. So it is flying inside and it is sitting on the doctor's table, scratching the bird under its beak. So scratching the bird under its beak means under its beak. Okay. Dr. Krishnan sighed and said, Somu was right after all. So what Somu had said is exactly right. You are an absolute treasure. Definitely you are a valuable gift for me. I never realized what he meant when he called you a great help. So in the beginning of the lesson we have seen that what Somu had said. So if I give that bird to you, it will be definitely a great help for you. Abdinu doctor kitta sollirparu. You might have seen this. You can see these words in the first page of the Zigzag. Okay. So why didn't you tell me you would prefer to be at my clinic instead of snoring like that to show you were bored? You like to be in my clinic instead of snoring in the home. What do we do now? Okay, what shall we do now? No one wants you back at home now. They want me to leave you with Bizu. So what shall we do now? Because nobody in the home wants you to keep you with them. They want to leave you with Bizu. Just then the telephone rang. So when doctor was speaking to the Zigzag, the telephone is ringing. It was Mrs. Krishnan, sounding very pleased with herself. So who is calling is Mrs. Krishnan. So she was pleased. So she was telling something very happily. What she is telling is, you know, Mrs. Junjunwala, the art critic, she doesn't want me to exhibit sunset at Marina. She has bought it for herself for rupees 5,000. Okay, she chuckled. So she is telling it happily. What she is telling is, உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா, Mrs. Junjunwala, the art critic, she doesn't want me to exhibit sunset at Marina. So generally if we are exhibiting the paintings in the exhibition, so what will happen? There will be many viewers, there will be many lovers of paintings. They will be coming to watch the exhibition and they will buy the beautiful pictures by paying some money. Okay, but what Mrs. Junjunwala had done is, she don't want to exhibit her painting in the exhibition. Exhibition painting kondu poradhukku munnadiye she had bought that painting. Which painting? Sunset at Marina. And the papaya la adu mele vilundichu illaya. So and the painting she has given rupees 5,000 and she had bought it for herself. Isn't that the painting the papaya fell on? Okay, so Mr. Ashok is asking, the papaya will in the painting? Okay. Yes, Mrs. Krishnan was laughing heartily now. So she was laughing and she is telling, yes, laughing heartily means wholeheartedly laughing. Happy as sirikarathu. Okay. I had left it in one corner and she chose to buy it, saying, She loved my new technique of painting. Okay, so actually I had kept it in the corner of the room, but she chose to, but she had preferred to buy that painting, telling that she was impressed by the new technique of painting. She simply adored those striky orangey bits. Okay, so what attracted Mrs. Junjunwala is she was attracted by the adored means loved. Okay, loved and admired. She was attracted by the orange pulp of the papaya. She launched it to fresh gales of laughter. So she's telling it with a laughter, that is happily with laughter. By the way, I don't think we were fair to Zigzag. Shall we keep him with us at home just on trial for another week? She said when she sobered down. So what Mrs. Krishnan is telling is, we did not treat Zigzag well. Fair means good. That is, we did not treat Zigzag well in our home. Shall we keep him with us at home? Just one trial for another week. இன்னொரு வாரம் அதை வீட்டில் வச்சுக்கலாமா? She herself is asking to Dr. Krishnan. Sure, agreed a delighted Dr. Krishnan before he cleverly added. Okay, he is telling yes, sure, we will keep it. Delighted means happily he is telling yes, we will keep it for one more week. And I could always take him to the clinic every morning so that you can paint in peace at home. And also what doctor is telling us, every morning I will take it to my clinic so that you can paint peacefully in the home. Why doctor is telling he can take it to the clinic is because if he is taking the bird to the clinic, it is really very helpful for him, because by its action it is making all his patients to, that is children, to smile. Okay, and his clinic is also very quiet. My boy, he confided to Zigzag after matters were satisfactorily settled, giving the bird a toffee from his desk. Okay, now everything were settled properly, and now he is giving a toffee, a chocolate from his desk to the bird. You have your own strange way of showing your genius. Okay, what he is telling is, you are having your own method of showing your genius, that is showing your intelligence, a zigzag way. I would call it, wouldn't you? Now the zigzag way in Solomon, because it is your own way of showing your intelligence. Because in the home you were always keeping on snoring, and now you were making all the patients in my clinic to laugh and smile. But Ziggy Zaga, king of the Tonga, brought up on compliments as he was, did not bother to reply. See how gentle the bird is. Okay, but in the madri compliments ella, compliments means prize na PRAISE, prize. It means like this appreciation. In the madri appreciation la நிறைய அந்த பேர்டுக்கு ஏற்கனவே already it had got it from African witch doctor, and then later from Dr. Somu, and then from Visu, everywhere. இந்த புகழ்ச்சி எல்லாம் கேட்டு அதுக்கு போர். ஏதோ ஒரு படத்தில் வரும் இல்லையா டைலாக், புகழ்ச்சி உரைகள் எனக்கு போர் அடிக்கின்றதுன்னு, அந்த மாதிரி the bird was bored of all these compliments, so it did not bother to reply. So it is not giving any reply to the doctor. He just ate the toffee, paper wrapper and all. So what it had done, it had eaten the chocolate and also the chocolate cover, and then lowered one crinkly eyelid in a knowing wink. Crinkly na wrinkly. Okay, so what had happened when the bird came to the home, it was just winking its eyelid always. Okay, so like that it is giving a wink in its eye, and finally all the problems were settled and everyone were very happy. So as we have seen already, the author Asha Nehemiah was a writer who was always interested in writing humor, fantasy, mystery and adventurous work for children. Okay, so this is also about the bird Zigzag. At first it had created a confusion in the home because of its snoring sound, and then when it came to the clinic, it had made everyone happy, and it had showed its intelligence in its own way. Okay, so this is what we have seen in the lesson. zigzag. I hope every one of you have understood. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.